White-collar crime in California is skyrocketing, and it's not that it's occurring more often, but there are grants by the state and federal government for prosecution and police in order to enforce these crimes. One of the things you want to do is get a team involved if you know that you might be under investigation or a search warrant has just occurred. White-collar fraud is a very complicated matter, and it needs to be attacked from the beginning. One of my clients was a dentist who was facing 118 felony counts for insurance fraud. We were able to get the documents that the prosecution had, look at those documents, create a defense to each one of those counts, and that individual never lost his dental license. By the time you learn of a white-collar case by either a search warrant or subpoena, things have been going in play for months, if not years. The statute of limitations for white-collar fraud is somewhere between 3 and 4 years for state offenses and even longer for federal offenses. That means everybody knows about it but you. As a former white-collar prosecutor in the Major Frauds Division of the LA County District Attorney's Office, I used to be involved long before the individuals had any clue that this was happening. So by the time this happens, you're already behind the 8 ball, and you need to act fast. The moment you get a search warrant or subpoena, you need to call right away because there's a lot that can be done, not only to get your company up and running again, get your medical documents and other documents back or financial records back, but be able to try and stop this from occurring.